Hello everyone, I'm gonna unbox this writing pad. So let's unbox this. You guys, I'm eagerly waiting for this writing pad. Here it is. ये रहा. ये रहा. बॉक्स में इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है. So let's start writing. Hello everyone. I personally like this product. You guys can see this is really working good. This is delete button. There is lock and unlock screen button. We can slide this slider to unlock the screen and lock the screen. Thank you for watching, guys.